Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So today we are going to present a new setup video in front of you that is how to set up Netfun Wi-Fi Extender. The Netfun Wi-Fi Extender setup is a quick way to boost your Wi-Fi signal. We can set up this Netfun Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Netfun Wi-Fi Extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. So watch this video till the end. First of all, plug in the Netfun Extender to a wall outlet near your router. Wait about 30 seconds for it to power on. You'll see the LED light up. Now press the WPS button on your router. It's usually labeled WPS and may have a small icon like 2 arrows or a lock with Wi-Fi waves. Now find the WPS button on your Netfun Wi-Fi Extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Netfun Extender. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking. The LED on the extender will blink while it's connecting. Once it turns solid, green or blue, you're connected. Relocate the extender. Now you can unplug it and move it to a spot midway between your router and the area with weak signal. So your extender setup is now complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.